This is your instructional video for refilling your 500 ml bulk face wash. When you're refilling your honey face wash, the first step is to gently mix or stir your honey face wash by turning it up and down a few times. Careful not to overshake so that it doesn't have too many bubbles. The next step is to make sure that you have a measuring device that is clean and sanitized. We like to use boiling water and vinegar and then wipe it clean. Okay, so to open your bulk honey face wash, push the knobs away so the metal ring lifts up, and then pop it up. And then you're going to pour to about 100 mils or 50 mils depending on the product you are refilling. In this video we are going to refill the larger bottle and we're going to measure it up to 100 mils. From there you will pour it into your regular sized container. And if you would like to fill it more, you can. We're going to leave it there for now and do up the lid to securely tighten. And we will quickly just show you how to fill your 5 ml bottle just because it's such a little bottle. One option is to fill it from your regular sized wash. So you can shake it and open it and then pump it into the 5 ml bottle. And it's ready to be gifted.